on, guys? I hope you're all having a great week. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do beard stuff, I do hair stuff, I do shave stuff, so basically everything helps kind of bring you together. And then, you know what, if I find a bottle of something nice, I like to share that with you too. So if that sounds good to you, hit that button and you will know when that happens. Today's video is pretty cool because it's a first for me. I get to review a limited release beard product. And not only is it a limited release, but it's also a collaboration project between two beard companies. Those companies are Chesapeake Beard Company and Honest Ape Beard Company. I've done reviews on Chesapeake and you can get those here if you'd like. So the product I'm talking about is Tribute. Okay? And Tribute is sold as a set. The set sells for $35. And in the set, you get this 2-ounce bottle of beard oil, which is, that's freaking awesome in itself, 2 ounces. You know how long it's going to take you to go through 2 ounces? This is about a 1.5 ounce to 2 ounce of beard balm. Now, if you haven't picked up on it yet, Tribute, they're kind of playing on the whole Jack Black song, okay? I have to explain it. I wouldn't feel right if I didn't explain it. Because it's a set, you get this cool little button. I opened up the balm, and in the balm was this. It's a guitar pick. Well, that was totally unexpected. Sorry, now you expect it. Oh, look, I had a card. Yeah, this card comes in the set. What's on the card? Well, it's a breakdown of the product. So here's oil, balm, and then like a little thing. So I'm just going to read that all right now to you. So here's what's in the beard oil. We have jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and oud fragrance. And in the balm, we have beeswax, organic coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and again, oud fragrance. Let's move over to the product now. I read something called oud fragrance. Oud is a pretty unique thing for me. It's my first time I really came across it with this review. So I did a little bit of research, and oud is a tree oil. It's very well regarded in like the Middle East and Southeast Asia, I believe. It's a very unique scent, and I can tell, and I know why it is so well regarded, and we're going to get into how it smells. My immediate reaction, it's a very fresh, it's a very soft, fresh, clean scent. Soft meaning there's not really a crispness to it, almost a soft, warm kind of note to it. But very clean at the same time. Guys, this is so pleasantly complex. It's very nice. If I could try to break it down a little bit, it starts out kind of like a sweet vanilla with like a kind of a woodsy, earthy kind of note. This all comes together almost at the same time. It's a nice complexity. But it finishes very clean. When I say clean, not like a crisp clean, but it just finishes clean. Just has this nice just kind of end to it. It's good. I will tell you right now, this scent, Chesapeake and Honest Ape, you guys got something really good going on here. It's a shame it's a limited release. That's all I got to tell you, because yeah, I'm very impressed with this. Let's get into how this stuff works. So for the oil, there's a slight yellow tint to it, relatively clear though, but there's a slight little yellow hint on this one. It's a lighter oil for me, maybe a medium to light, which is fine. When this gets in your beard, classy, fresh, masculine cologne type smell. It's just, oh, it finishes so nicely. So, and we'll go look at the balm here. The balm is a yellowish balm. It's a softer balm, and it doesn't take much to get out. You can pretty much take out with your finger if you want, or you can scrape. I just scrape as a habit. Oh, we got some right there. Go ahead. With just putting that balm in, it did have a little bit more of like it had a little more warmth in there, and a little bit more of that like a woodsy, earthy note going on. So it was but it was still the same scent. Just I got a little more of something that time. Now it's all kind of coming together really nice again. Fresh, clean, masculine, soft, warm. Those are all things that I'm getting right now. This balm is not necessarily a holding balm. It is going to add some nice weight to the beard. Definitely does a good job conditioning. I would not call this a styling balm. It adds enough weight to give your beard that good natural lay, but nothing, yeah, like I said, not something I feel like I got a lot of holding power with there. Again, it's just one of those, it's really going to help with that overall performance. So getting into that now, performance. The oil and balm combination held up great for me throughout the whole day. I came home and my beard still felt pretty good just with having a simple brushing. All in all, guys, look, it's limited. And I'll tell you right now, you're getting, I think the value is good. I think the price point is really good. $35 for a limited release. You get 2 ounces of oil, a good amount of beard balm, and it's limited. get it. Check out Chesapeake Beard Company. Check out Honest Ape Company. This is a good one. I highly recommend. Go get it. Again, it's limited, so go get it. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button and have a great week. Take care.